We have our level 8 luggage. We're gonna need some packing cubes. These are from level 8. The container, the little packing bag that it comes in is really nice. I actually like it as a bag itself. I think it is because it's got that, which is great. So you kind of get a whole bunch of bags and bags. Put some shoes in there or some clothes. Opens up this way. Oh, look at this. You can open it some more. That's expanding it. Nice. Look at how deep that is. That is a really nice size packing cube. Okay, so we got one there. Got a smaller one. So these are all double. So if you don't need as much space, you don't need to open everything. But I'm going to show you. This is the expanded, and then we're going to open the top. Those are nice and deep ones. And then if you just say you just have a few things to use, we have the original bag it came in, which we saw it expands. We have 2 of these similar size, so I'd say 10-inch, and they expand as well, which you saw. You have a smaller one, which this is a cute little size. I'm gonna quickly open it. So again, you can use it as this original size. This is kind of how the little small things, and again, it's that same depth, which is really nice. I don't see too many like that deep, and this quality, kind of a satiny kind of finish. It's really nice. This is the shoe bag, and I could fit 2 pairs of shoes, I think, in here, or, you know, probably some sneakers, because some of the hookahs are a little bit larger, so I think the hookahs would be perfect in there. And then you have a larger one, similar to the original bag it came in. So I'd say you have 2 of those size, which are nice. Perfect. So we're gonna try those out as well, throw them in a suitcase, and head to the airport.